All right. Oh my gosh, he brought both Quilladin and Sliggoo. We don't see Goldango, which is actually very interesting. Him bringing the Sliggoo, not a big fan. I don't even know what the Sliggoo or the Quilladin's types are. So they're both steel and water, and then Sliggoo is flying, Quilladin's grass. I feel like Sliggoo is probably going to be Terra Water. I feel very comfortable just leading into Doug, I think. Actually, I think I'm going to lead Torn, just because Torn looks really good off lead into like almost everything on his team. Yeah. Good luck, have fun. I think the only thing off lead that could be a bit scary is the Zapdos. But everything else I'm kind of okay with. Volcanian's a bit scary, but not seeing Alolan Muck is actually really nice. Because that thing just soaks hits. Toy Chica. We're going to see Zapdos off lead. I don't think he's killing Torn if he's Scarfed. Yeah, Brave Bird is not killing us. I kind of want to scout to see what his item is. I'm just going to click sub. He's going to U-turn. Who does he go into here? So we see Zapdos, Rabombi. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Golden Freddy is going to come out. That is the Sliggoo. We're going to click sub. And we're just going to nasty plot. I have no reason not to. I don't think this thing can do anything to me. If he wants a Draco Meteor, that is totally fine. But yeah, Torn's kind of just here to get damage off. He might be a rest set. He's going to Ice Beam. Man is actually packing Ice Beam. Is that going to take sub? That is going to take sub. Okay. So if it's doing at least 25%, +2. Ice Beam's doing 30 to 36. I think I'm willing to just click Dark Pulse here. Get some damage off on this thing. You might get a flinch. So that's full Spadef. Holy shit. That was more damage than I thought. 150 down to 42. 150 down to 42. Okay. I have no reason not to just go into Julius here. Malachi is going to return. Ice Beam is going to do 6 damage to Empoleon. No freeze. Wait, if that did 6 damage, he actually has... Oh, hang on. I keep forgetting that I'm messing up my calcs. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we're Gucci. We're Gucci. Okay. I think I have no reason not to just get my rocks up here, but at the same time, I also could get a pretty nice knockoff. I think I want a knockoff. No. I'm gonna get rocks up. I think doubling into the Zapdos is it's a very iffy thing for him to do. He's gonna stay in. What's he gonna click? Does he have Infestation? Please don't tell me he has Infestation. He's gonna Thunderbolt. That does 50 damage. Thunderbolt. Okay, so yeah, we're just looking at no special attack investment. I'm gonna click knock here. We're just gonna knock off the Eviolite, so Torn has a better chance at sweeping this endgame. He's actually gonna switch now. Do we see the crest come in? Can we see the crest come in? Ballora. Ballora is going to be the Cresselia. Is going to switch in on a knockoff. That's going to be very not good for him. We don't see Boots. Knockoff's not going to do too much. Probably Fizz Def. We're going to see the leftovers drop. I have no reason not to just flip turn here. If he wants to T-Wave, I'm not too concerned about that. I think I have no reason not to just flip turn here. He may call mine. He is going to call mine. He's going to call mine. And I think... So this is definitely Fizz Def. How much is Conk doing if they have no item? Not enough. What about Mammal Swine? We're going to go into Lashonda. We're going to Encore. Encore him into Calm Mind. Who's doing more damage, Mammoth Swine or Conk? Definitely Conk. Okay, we're going Conk. Do we see him switch? I feel like... I don't even know who his switch would be. Maybe Zapdos? He's going to Calm Mind again. 2 knockoffs is going to take this thing out. I'm so glad I clicked knockoff and got the leftovers off of that thing. It was perfect timing because I feel like if this thing had leftovers, I don't know if I'd be able to break it. He's going to Calm Mind again. I think, does Encore end this turn? If it does, I may be in a bit of trouble. I don't have Mach Punch. Ended its Encore. I think I have to just knock off again. He's gonna store power. That's fine. I'm fine with letting that go because I can't let him Moonlight. It's very unfortunate that I had to let Conk go, but I can't let that thing get a Moonlight off. Is Mamoswine killing with a Trailblaze from here? 9 to 11%. That's tough. Is Mamoswine out speeding? I think I have to just go. Is Torn killing with a Dark Pulse? He should be at +4. Okay, so yeah, I just gotta go Mamoswine. This Trailblaze looks like a roll. I think it's a roll I have to go for. We don't kill. There's no way. There's no way. He Lunar Blessings. Okay. This just became a problem. I think I'm gonna get swept. Actually, no, I think a knockoff is killing this. That looks like a knockoff is killing. We're not killing with that. And he's gonna store power, and it's gonna kill the Mamoswine. This is ridiculous. I cannot believe I let this thing get set up. Okay, whatever. We still have Terrence in the back. I think I definitely just lost, though. I feel like I 100% just lost because I let this thing set up. So, that's entirely on me. I cannot believe that just happened. I just lost so much ground off of that, too. It's kind of crazy. But I think we're okay. Terrence in the back looks like it's still going to put in some work. Unfortunately, I did lose Mamoswine and Conk, so my damage is going to be a little lacking. But if I can just get that Volcanion chipped, I think I'm going to be good for endgame. We're gonna see Charlie come out. It's gonna be the Rabombi. So Rabombi is not boots. Is Rabombi killing Torn with a Moonblast? He's modest. Choice. Specs. It's doing. Okay, what if he's timid? Looks like it's still killing. I just gotta go Julius here. It's very unfortunate. He might Quiver Dance. I think if he Quiver Dances, I might just lose. Straight up. He's just gonna Moonblast. 162 down to 120. So I did 42. Yeah, so he's timid. Could be modest. Or he's specs, could be modest. I have no reason not to just flip turn here. He's gonna withdraw. So we're gonna get a good flip turn here. We see Volcanion probably come out. Good play. Good play. Okay, so he's not boots either, but he's gonna be able to take it right back, which is very unfortunate. I'm just being outplayed right now. I definitely underestimated just his team in general. But we just have to go into Appleton here. I have no reason not to. That's going to be resisted. 173 to 216. How much is it? Okay, 173 down to 216. Appleton. Volcanion. Probably AV. With Flamethrower. $73 down to 216. 43. So he's not. Probably not invested. So how much is a Sludge Bomb doing then? 47 to 55. Okay, so I have to Terra here. And we Apple Acid. If he Flamethrowers here, correctly calling, he may go on a middle ground and just click Steam Eruption. He knows this is my Terra Captain. If he Flamethrowers predicting Terra Steel, then good play. I feel like he has to click Sludge Bomb here, though. He's gonna Sludge Bomb. Okay. We're gonna Apple Acid. Do a decent chunk. How much is Torn taking from this? How much am I doing with a Draco? 56 to 70. I'm clicking Apple Acid again. He's gonna Flamethrower. 73 down to 87. This looks like it's a roll. I think it's a roll I have to take as well. He's gonna Earth Power. That's not gonna kill. Oh, because Thick Fat. Yep, good play. Good play. I completely forgot about Thick Fat. That's fine. That's fine. Torn can just kind of come in here. Clean this thing up. And now that Rabombi is... now that Rabombi's going to take a lot of chip, I think a Bleak can just kill it. I have to just click Bleak one here. Torn's gonna pick up a kill. We probably see Rabombi come in. I cannot believe that I just let fucking... I cannot believe I let Calm Mind Cresselia beat me like that. So we're gonna see Charlie come in. And Charlie with a Moonblast is not killing. So I think I can just click Bleakwind. He's tricking me a Scarf. Well, now I outspeed Zapdos. Oh, he tricked me Specs. Why would you do that? Or say, not Specs, not Scarf. He tricked me Specs. I don't know if I agree with that play. I feel like maybe he was trying to catch me clicking Nasty Play or Sub. But I don't know if I agree with that play. I don't think I do. I don't know if I agree with that play at all. I can take one Ice Beam. I think I'm going to stay in. Because now Torn has Choice Specs. Into this Sliggoo Hisui. Like we're gonna get Chip. I think I'm just gonna get Chip. I need Chip on this thing. Drop speed, shouldn't matter. He's gonna Thunderbolt. 164 down to 96. Thunderbolt again. 142 down to 96. Okay. I think I'm good. I'm clicking knockoff here. Get rid of this Eviolite. Gooey, I'm fine with that. Competitive's gonna boost. Doesn't matter, unfortunately, because I'm running special. I think he's seen, yeah, knockoff just revealed, or he actually already knew my whole moveset, so yeah. We're gonna play this crit game, I think. I'm gonna Roost. Okay, I'm gonna flip turn now and go into Screamtail. I just need damage on this so that way Torn wins. Ooh, ooh, okay, okay. That's gonna be the Quilladin. That's Monty Gator, that's the Quilladin. Okay, I don't know if Quilladin is taking. Especially after Rocks. Quilladin has to be... He has to be max Spadef to take this hit. So, he actually could be, Terra. And so I think because of that, I think I just click Dark Pulse on a middle ground. But actually, even if he's Terra Steel, do we not? Dark Pulse is actually better. I'm clicking Dark Pulse. I need damage off on this thing. He is gonna Terra. He's gonna be Terra Water, so I threw on that. Dang. I really thought he was gonna be Terra Steel. Oh. And we flinch. Oh, that's not good. I'm clicking Dark Pulse again. I'm so sorry, Garrett. That is very unfortunate for you. Unfortunately, it's just the game we play. I don't know what he was going to do there. Maybe just click Leech Seed. But seeing that Dark Pulse damage and the fact that he wasn't Terra Steel, I don't think it mattered. I think I just misplayed. We see Toy Chica come back out. It's going to be the Zapdos. Zapdos is not killing me with any one move. So I kind of want to stay in, but at the same time, I need to preserve health for Sliggoo. So I'm going to go into Lashonda to get damage off on this thing. Rocky Helmet. I'm hoping he clicks Brave Bird here. I think the Brave Bird is obvious. He's just going to knock off. I'm glad he knocked off. Okay. So it removes our Rocky Helmet. We're going to get a little bit of chip off. I have no reason not to just click Wish. And he is Scarfed, so we're going to click Wish. And get a little bit more chip on Golden Freddy. We're going to Wish. And I'm going to click Light Screen here, and then I'm going to swap Torn. He probably just clicks Flash Cannon here. If he has it, he's clicking Flash Cannon here. He just has Thunderbolt. He doesn't have Flash Cannon. That's very interesting. I'm just gonna Wish again. He's gonna rest. Did I knock this thing's EV-Elite off already? I believe I did, didn't I? Is he Sleep Talk? What's stopping me from just going into... Yeah, I think I'd just go Torn. And just start Dark Pulsing. I think I have no reason not to, because I can always bring Screamtail back in on this thing now that I see that he doesn't have... whatchamacallit? He doesn't have Flash Cannon. I think I can just always go back into Screamtail once he chips me low. I just need to make sure I live in Adam and Brave Bird. We're just going to click Dark Pulse. We're going to start getting damage off. I think the only way he wins this is if he gets a Para and I get full Parad on the Zapdos. Woke up. We're clicking Ice Beam. Yeah, he's going for freezes. Light Screen wears off. I'm going to click Dark Pulse one more time. Flinch. 48 down to 70. It did 78. I have to just go into Lashonda. I have to keep Torn healthy because it needs to be able to live a hit from Zapdos, which, if for some reason the Zapdos is adamant, Brave Bird's doing 71 to 84, so I need to basically be at full health. But at the same time, if he clicks Brave Bird, then I think Empoleon can win, so. Clicking Wish. He's taking more Rock Chip, which is very good for me. He's gonna click Thunderous Kick. Is Thunderous Kick two-shotting? How about at -1? Not even close. Okay. So I just have to Wish here. How many PP does Thunderous Kick have? Can I stall this out? It only has 16. He's used 2. We go Malachi. $31 down to 80. That did 51. So he is definitely not adamant. He's not even max attack. Is he no attack investment? I made the right play clicking Dark Pulse. Okay. And I think we just win here because I don't think he can kill a combination of Empoleon and Torn. So I think, can he even kill me with one hit? I'm just gonna Dark Pulse to see what he clicks. Yeah, he's gonna click Thunderous Kick. Holy shit, was that a crit? That was not a crit. That did so much damage. And I mean, we just go Scream Tail. And unfortunately for him, he just can't do very much to me. I agree that Thunderous Kick is probably his best chance at winning. He would need like 4 crits on Scream Tail, though, so we're just clicking Wish here. Empoleon's definitely not taking this, right? 70 to 85. Okay, so if I need Empoleon for a sack, I have it. Did I just click Wish? I just go Torn now. Unfortunately, this is the game I have to play. I'm very sorry to my friend Garrett Meso for how I have to play this, but I'm currently in the very middle of the standings, and so every kill, every point of differential does matter. So this is just the way I have to play. So I'm very sorry about how I have to do this, but as long as I land this Bleak Wind, it should be game over. Keyword should. As long as I land this Bleak Wind. We are going to land it. Okay. Yeah, I definitely think Hacks was a bit on my side in that game. So I'm very sorry about that. But unfortunately, that is just how it goes sometimes. So GG's to my best friend. And I can't wait for our rematch. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.